Now, a lot of people really struggle with the F chord, the big bar chord F, the big bad F everyone's scared of. Well, that one's not coming up until stage 6. But what I want to show you is a nice little workaround that you can very often play instead of big bad F, and that's this F major 7th. It's not a particularly difficult chord. In fact, actually it's kind of easy. But what's difficult about it is making sure that you use your ears to let you know when you can use it. So if in the sheet music it says F, you should try and play this F major 7 if you struggle with big F, and use your ears to tell you does it sound cool or not. Because sometimes it'll sound cool, sometimes it won't. For those of you that are music theory buffs or have studied other instruments, if the song is in the key of C and you play F major 7 instead of F, it's probably going to sound cool. If it's in any other keys, the F major 7 might sound a little bit, well, not right, a bit weird. So just be aware of that. And most importantly, remember that if it sounds good, it is good. So if you try and insert the F major 7 instead of an F and it sounds good, brilliant, use it. It's working, man. That's what the whole point is. If it sounds bad, go, oh, okay, I can't play that song until I learn proper bar chord F, which, like I said, is coming up in 2 stages. So we're in stage 4 now, and it comes at the beginning of stage 6. So you haven't got that long to wait. So let's go to a close-up now and check out this F major 7. So here we are, this is our F major 7 chord, and you can see if you look at the neck diagram there that we're not going to play the thickest 2 strings, so it's kind of like a D chord in that way. We're not going to touch those 2 thick ones at all because they'll sound really horrible with this F major 7. Now the fingering is quite easy because we've got here just literally open thinner string, then first finger 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and 3rd finger 3rd fret of the 4th string. Very cool sounding chord. Now what's important to realise here, it's a good trick to try and get your 3rd finger just leaning over to touch that 5th string a little bit, just to stop it ringing out in case you hit it accidentally. Just if you like, a little precautionary measure. Now if you find yourself ever struggling with this one, a good way to get to it as well is from C chord. So if you're starting off with a regular C chord, and you move both your 2nd and 3rd fingers down toward the ground by 1 string, you end up with an F major 7. It's a very, you can hear it's kind of an airy sounding chord. I really like this chord, and very often you'll find that this chord is used with C. So you'll often find yourself going like C, F major 7, and then maybe G, that kind of thing. So it's a really, really nice little one to get under your fingers. I am going to show you the proper way to play F and a whole bunch of cheats on how to get around playing F if you're finding F really difficult. But I wanted you to get this chord down, this F major 7th chord down, because it's a really, really useful one to have down at this stage before you've learned proper big F. So try and get that one under your fingers nicely, and I'll see you for yet another chord. God, you'd learn a lot of chords this stage. I'll see you for another chord in a moment.